Welcome along to vlog number 1. Today the boys are going snowboarding. So stay tuned. One of the boys is just driving up from Wellington, so he should be here shortly. And we'll go around and pick up Scotty. Yeah. Stay tuned and see what the boys get up to. Here he is. Just rocked up in the Swift. Yo. On our way to pick up Scotty. It's 7:15 now. We told him we'll pick him up at 7, but realistically we always knew we weren't going to be there till about 15:15 because he's renowned for his lateness. So the later we leave it, the more on time he'll think he is. So we'll see if he's late or not, eh? Scotty! On time for once, mate.
Always on time, bro.
Boys are just at BP. Scotty grabbing a feed. Check the weather report, it's looking good.
After the whole trip ride, Scotty giving James shit making us late. Old mate wants to get a coffee. Right, we're at the posts.
You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
Sit down and we Yeah,
they hit us in the first half, but cloud rolled in, still finished strong. Boys always down.
no injuries, so that's a win for us, I reckon. Whew. How's that, Scotty?
Good mate. Good mate. Good James. Cheers, mate. No stand the ground a few times.
Sore. Was a sore. Thinking we might just end the vlog here. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll catch you on the next adventure.